Hello guys, good morning! Welcome to Precious Journal, and today guys ay mag-tour tayo dito sa Villa de Campo 5. And this resort is only located along Campo 5, Tugbok, Davao City. Actually guys, nag-overnight kami last night to celebrate Father's Day. So this morning is pauwi na tayo, but before kami uuwi, gusto ko guys na i-tour kayo dito sa resort para may at least idea kayo guys if you want to have your family enjoy an ambience that is very relaxing and hindi crowded. This is the best place for you. So actually guys, this is the entrance. So at this very moment, close pa sila. Close ang store nila kasi nagko-close sila every 12 midnight. At nag-o-open sila ng around 7 in the morning. Itong time na to, kailan ako nagbi-video is 5:30 in the morning. So let's go inside. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo guys, wala masyadong tao at wala talagang tao kasi yung pwede lang pumasok dito after 12 midnight is yung mga nag-overnight. So this is their lobby. And pagpasok natin, makikita natin agad yung kanilang 6 feet na swimming pool. Then guys, every 12 midnight, kino-close talaga nila yung pool area nila dahil bawal nang mag-swimming every 12 midnight. So, pwede na naman kayong mag-swimming the following day, 7 a.m. So, yun nga, kaya nakikita nyo guys, naka-enclose ang kanilang pool area. So, this area naman, nagkikisabay ang manok. So, this area naman ay yung ano nila, parang cottage area. And kung makikita nyo guys, meron din silang rooms na for rent. Pero sa time na ito, kung kailan kami nag-overnight, is super overbook na sila. Kaya naisipan na lang namin na mag-tent kami and also to enjoy the ambience at night. So, yan guys. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo guys kung ano yung nakapalibot sa buong resort. Kaya guys, malamig na malamig ang kanilang hangin dito sa resort. So, yan guys. So, yung mga nakikita nyong tent, ayan ang mga tent namin. Kasama kasi namin sa outing na ito ang family ng aking kuya. Then, sinama na rin namin ang aking bunsong kapatid para naman may bonding kami dahil matagal-tagal na rin since we had our bonding. So, itutour around ko kayo kasi meron pang other 2 swimming pools around the resort. And kung makikita nyo yan guys, may cafe dito sa loob ng kanilang resort. Pero, same din, close sila kapag 12 midnight hanggang the following day and open sila 7 a.m. Pasensya guys at sobrang ingay ng mga manok and I think they also wanted to vlog. So, itong area na ito guys ay mga free cottages din yan. So, kapag nag-entrance kayo, kapag pumasok kayo, you have your entrance fee, 150 sa adult and 100 for the kids. Pero, libre na po doon ang inyong mga cottages. They have yung cottage kanina, na open cottage, and they also have the umbrella cottage. Then, in this area, makikita nyo guys yung dalawang separate pool nila. The other side, on the right side, etong area na to is the 3 feet pool. This is good for the kids. Kaya kung makikita nyo rin, there are lounge dyan kung saan pwedeng mag-sit down yung mga parents or yung mga guardians na nagbabantay sa kanilang mga kids. So, if you're gonna see, super blue ang kanilang water and their water is very cold and clean dahil galing yan sa natural spring water. And here I am, guys. Yan. Samahan nyo ako. Puntahan natin si Kuya. Dahil itatanong natin, guys, if anong oras pwedeng mag-swimming. Dahil si Kuya ay naglilinis pa, guys. Yan, makikita nyo siya. Sa likod ko, guys, yan, nagba-vacuum siya ng mga, ng mga dumi sa pool. Actually, hindi naman sobrang dumi ang kanilang pool. Pero, since it's an outdoor pool, hindi maiwasan, guys, na may mga alikabok or yung parang buhangin sa pool. So, they have to vacuum it dahil baka pumasok yan doon sa kanilang drain at bumara. So, yan. I'm asking Kuya dito na side kung anong oras mag-o-open or pwedeng mag-swimming. Sabi ni Kuya, 7 a.m. pa daw dahil naglilinis pa siya. So, yan. One good thing dito sa resort na ito is very friendly and accommodating ang kanilang mga staff. So, talagang you will feel at home habang nasa resort ka. So, yun guys, on the other side of the pool is the 4 feet na pool. Yun naman is doon sa mga hindi kataasang mga nilalang. So, like me, I am 4 feet and 11 inches. So, pwede pa ako doon guys. And, yun, ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo guys. Itong area ni ito is their open cottage. Free siya guys. Free to use kapag nag-entrance kayo. And this area, yung tinuturo ko guys, yan naman ang kanilang function area. Actually, this is not my first time to be here in the resort because yung hindi pa super develop itong resort na ito, nakapag-catering na po kami dito. There was one event wherein we are tasked by one of my cake customers to cater for his father. Kasi, I think that was the 60th birthday ng father niya. And, yun, kami ang nag-cater ng time na yun. And that was also our first cater experience. So, yun guys, moving up to the area where papunta tayo doon sa mga CR nila guys. Kasi gusto ko ipakita sa inyo guys that you will feel very comfortable in the resort because they have a lot of CRs and also separate yung kanilang dressing rooms. So, yan, we're just passing by their function area. So, makikita nyo yan when you go to the comfort rooms. Sobrang laki niyan guys. They can accommodate up to 200 people. So, in this area, they have their washing area. Then, yung orange na yan is also the, yung dress room na sinasabi ko, kung saan ka magpapalit ng damit. Kasi guys, separate nila para, you will be comfortable. Okay? And, go straight, yung tinuturo ko guys, dyan kayo mag-iihaw. So, yan. And in this area, ito yung kanilang shower and bath. Pwede rin kayong mag-CR if you have your natural call. So, yan. So, actually guys, this is the whole area. Hindi siya kalakihan guys, but because it's not crowded, so you will feel that the area is big. So, yan. So, actually guys, let's go back na doon sa aming tent dahil kailangan na din naming gumising because at around 7 a.m. kailangan na mag-swimming dahil before 8 a.m. kailangan na rin naming mag-exit. Dahil the overnight time is from 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning. Pero, nakaas lang kami ng extension hanggang 8 a.m. dahil nakapasok kami sa resort guys ng around 9 p.m. na. Actually guys, this resort is very near lang talaga sa bahay namin. But you know guys, sometimes we have to look for a place where you have to change the ambience and feel free and distress yourself. Because not all the time that you have to work. So, yun lang guys. Thank you guys for watching and hope you enjoy my video. So, sana guys ay meron na naman kayong idea, destination para sa inyong pamilya. And again, thank you for watching. Bye. Amping mo kanunay. God bless.